Doing it.
Well, it's finally actually happened. This is the only time you'll see me do an unboxing of anything, but I just had a delivery from DHL of the first book I've ever been a part of, and I'm actually holding it, which is really exciting. It's been a 2-year process. I didn't realize how long it would be just to get a chapter into a book, but it's kind of an amazing moment. I don't know how big the images are even of my work, um, but for me, with narrative infrastructure as a concept that I developed living here and taking a time to do the research and work with local colleagues and with colleagues also on the other side of the planet to create a new concept. It was really a dramatic process that was really wonderful to finally culminate in the publication of it. So thank you to everyone who's helped all these years, putting up with me and all my excuses and not answering emails and so on and so forth. And I'm looking forward to doing more.